Yellow balls first. On your knees. Good. Try, let it go. A little high. Bend your knees. Get those hands up by your ear. Good. Line drives. A couple more. There's 4 more yellows. Cody, you're stiff knees again. Get right position. Ready? Good. Last one. I don't want to leave on that one. Okay. Here's a golf. Here's 3 golf balls. Try to hit these golf balls. Come inside. Good. Last one. Okay.